You want to solve the small Rubik Cube? I will show it to you in an easy way. If I'm too fast or slow for you, use the speed controller in the settings. For the notation, the normal letter stands for clockwise rotation and the letters with the apostrophe stands for counterclockwise rotation. Step 1. Solve the white side and the bottom layer. Search for one white stone and define a white side. Hold the cube so that the white side is at the bottom. With the following algorithm, you always move this piece to the bottom. But before you move the piece, look on the other colors from the piece. They must match too. Up, right, up, right. Is the white side looking to you? Then will be the piece in the right position. If not, you have to do the move again. Or you use a shortcut to be faster. Is the stone in the upper layer on the left side and the white side is looking to you, you can do the move with the left hand. Up, left, left. In case that a white piece is in the bottom layer but on a wrong position, bring it up with right, up, right. Step 2. Solving the yellow side. The move only works if one yellow piece is at the top. Look that a yellow stone is on the left looking to you and do the algorithm until you have only one yellow piece on the top. Right, up, right, up, right, up, right. If you done it, two options are possible. The left piece has yellow on the top and the right piece has yellow in front of you. Then do the same algorithm than before again. Right, up, right, up, right, up, right. Or the right piece has yellow on the top and the left piece has yellow in front of you. When you do the algorithm with the left hand. Left, up, left, up, left, up, left. Step 3. Finishing the cube. Look if you have a completely finished side. If you have it, hold the cube that the finished side is to your back face. If not, it doesn't matter how you hold the cube, and you have to do the algorithm twice. Right, up, right, front, right, up, right, front, right, up. And now you have a completely finished cube. Congratulations! See you in the next video.